You have made the good right decision by clicking this video. So today I'm going to show you one simple easiest way to make money online, which is passive income. So for this you don't need to have any money to invest, or don't need to have any website to make this. So in this actually we need to do some steps. So along with me, just you can follow, and in between you can pause the video so that we'll be in sync. So without wasting time, let's jump into the steps. In the first step, you need to go to the website called mangols.com. So I have provided the link in the description. You can just click on that and go to the website. Then once you go to the website, I suggest you to spend 1 or 2 minutes on the website. Whatever you are understanding, whatever you are getting information from that website, try to understand something before getting into the second step. So you can pause the video and spend 1 or 2 minutes just on this website and come back and continue the video. So now you have completed spent 1 or 2 minutes on this website. So this is basically a SEO tool, SEO website, which improves SEO of any particular website of any business or anything for that matter. So what we are going to do is, in the second step, we will go to the website again, and we will sign up for this. Actually, you can click on the start. So all you need to do is just click on this start ended 10-day free trial. So after clicking that, you can see this option actually, to enter your email and password. That's it. You just need to enter your email and password. You can complete your second step and come back to the video. You can pause the video, have an account, and come back. So after successfully having an account in Mangols, so your dashboard looks like this. So in this here, in this third step, what we are going to do is we need to go to Google, and before going to Google, actually we can see the see here. If you observe the plans of these Mangols, there are three plans actually: basic and premium, and last one is agency. In this plans, this is the most popular one, and you can easily go along with this. I mean, you can do it. So oh, see, after seeing these plans, actually we can go back to the back to our account, and let's see what we need to do. See, here we can find the affiliate option. So what we need to do is simple. We need to create click on the affiliate so that you can get a link. Example links, you can see my link is here. So after clicking on this link, actually you need to copy this link uh, and go to the bitly another website. This is the bitly website, bitly.com, bitly.com. Once you come to bitly.com, you can paste your link and get it shortened actually. So once you get the short link, you can copy this link. You have to use this link actually, so that we'll discuss later. So what we are doing here, see, here in Angol's account, if you observe the plans, actually we have seen there are three plans, right? For this software, this tool has three plans actually: $29, $39, and $79. So here we are getting whatever the link we got, we are promoting that link actually. So in this price we are getting, you can see the terms actually, affiliate terms. If you go to the terms, you can find. So if you come to this affiliate terms, we can see 30% commission rate is available with this product. So 30% means almost in this plans you will get absolutely 30% at without spending any thing from your pocket, without investing or without doing anything. You are going to simply share that link, whatever the link, affiliate link you have got from this Mongoose, and you are going to get on each sale 30%. How we are going to promote that we'll discuss later in the same video, but you are absolutely, you are going to get a 30% to your PayPal account or wire transfer, whatever you have. So the cookie expiration means in affiliate marketing terminology, this means 30 days cookie expiration means after clicking on your affiliate link, any customer if he purchases less than 30 days, that will be credited to you, that sale will be credited to you. So based on that affiliate link, after clicking on your link and purchase in 30 days, even after 20 days, 25 days, within 30 days, if he purchases anything, any product, if you take a subscription, then you will get your 30% commission. So that's it. That is how you are going to do it. In Google, actually, you can find any small businesses or anything. For example, I want to get the information in my area. For example, you want to find dentists, available dentists in Bangalore. You want to find in this city. Almost every every person or every clinic will be having these websites. So these websites are there. So these all these websites are, they need they need to reach more and more customers in order to get a good business or to provide services of there. So for that they need to have this tool SEO in order to get the rank, higher rank. When we searched in the when we searched on the Google, the search results page, it is showing in the first page top, because these are having a good, along with the reputation, they have SEO optimized content and everything in the website. So how it is happening means this tool, by using this Mongoose tool, they can optimize the website in order to get higher rank at the Google, to come in the first place in this search result page, SERP, search engine results page. Okay, so for that everyone needs this. So what we need to do to promote that link, promote this tool, you know we need to find all these local businesses. For example, I have taken this dentist. For example, anything you can take, any ice cream shop or vegetables, fruits, bakeries, everything. Any niche you can take and get the list, and you can go to their websites. Actually, you can contact them through their phone number, or you can go to the website and find email ID or social media contacts or anything you can get from that. And what we need to do, if you want to mail, you will get mail here, right? In contact us, you can get mail. Just you need to send mail. This is how, along with your affiliate link, whatever we get the link from here, from Namuls, we need to share that link in the description. I mean, whatever we are going to send the email. So for this email, we are going to send email. And also along with this, if you want to promote in social media also, for example, if you are not getting any contacts or email IDs for any particular website, you can go to the Twitter or Facebook or any social media platform, so that you can share, you can chat with them, and you can engage with them, and share the benefits of this tool. And easily, if you approach 100, some people, it doesn't take much time, 30 minutes to 1 hour. If you spend, hardly you can reach out to 100 members easily. So if you share 200 members with your affiliate link, they'll definitely click on that link. And if they make purchases, at least 1%, if one person buy with your link, if you share 100 people, 1%, if you take even 1% conversion rate, you will get one sale for that particular 30 minutes or 1 hour. So in that, you will get 30% of commission on that particular plan subscription. Along with that, it is a recurring, it is happening again and again, until unless they are using that subscription is active, they will be you will be getting a passive income in the mode of recurrently. So that's how it is going to be very helpful. Out of all the passive income modes, passive income streams, this is the best I have seen. You will get recurrently, your effort is very less. Once you get, for example, if you get uh, 5 sales for this month, next month if you get another 5 sales, this 5 sales will be added to the next month 5 sales, so it is going to become 10. So 10 recurrent income will be happening to you. So that's how it is going to increase. So you are doing monthly basis, but it is going to be happening recurrently. So it is getting month by month, day by day. So that's how it works. So that is the reason uh, this affiliate marketing, especially recurring affiliate marketing, not getting one time commission, it is happening lifetime. So I suggest you to at least concentrate on these 3-4 steps. Just website, and have an account, and get the affiliate link from that, and go to Bitly and shorten your link, and then go to your Google search, find any niche. You can find some local businesses, and anywhere, not only local businesses, anywhere you can share your affiliate link along with some content, 2-3 lines or anything you can provide, in order to get benefit for they will start using it, and they will appreciate you, even what the benefits they are getting after using this tool. Because their business also is going to improve, you are going to help in that way. So that's how it works. I think it's pretty much clear, I guess. So if you have anything, you can comment below. I'll reply for each and every comment. This is what for this day. Thank you. Hi, in this video, we will see how to achieve 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours within a short period of time, like let's say 1 month of time. See, actually, if you want to get these 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, actually, in order to get our YouTube channel to partner with YouTube. So in order to get monetized, we need to have this, right? So in this, actually, we need to follow some tips. Basically, see what happens when we upload multiple videos. What happens, many of the videos won't get proper views and watch time also. So out of the 100 videos, 80% of the videos won't get proper watch time. Only 20% of the videos only will get proper views and watch time, and also subscribers. Very few videos only will get highlighted and they'll be appeared. So YouTube also will show algorithm. As per algorithm, it will work like that. So based on that, we need to understand a few things in order to highlight those proper videos, and in order to get 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. So some tips I'm going to provide you. So here we will follow usually any YouTube channel 80-20 ratio, right? 80-20 rule. So 80% of the videos won't get highlighted and won't get proper views and also subscribers. So remaining the 20, only 20% of the videos will get highlighted and get the subscribers and watch time as well. So that is one thing. So let us see some tips so that we will get into more. So the tip number one is, see, let's see the scenario of watch time, how it will work. See, actually, 4000 watch hours means we need to achieve this 240,000 minutes, right? 240,000 minutes we need to achieve. Out of this 240,000 minutes, means 40,000. Let's say our target is to get these 4000 minutes, 4000 hours in 30 days. Actually, if we put target for 30 days, and we need to do, in order to get 4000 hours watch time, 80-20 rule we know, right? So out of the 100 views, we don't know how many. 20% of the views only, videos only will get will cover total entire 80% of the views also. So we need to at least need to upload at least one video per day. So it will come almost 30 days. For 30 days, 30 videos will be uploaded. So by this time, on an average, if we consider each and every video will be having 12 minutes on an average, and if we consider 50% of the average view duration on each video, so what we need, actually 240,000 watch minutes needed. So in this, we have a duration of 6 minutes average watch time for each video, right? So that's 40,000 total views are required. So if we divide these 30 days videos for 40,000 minutes, 40,000 views with 6 minutes average time, view time, so that is 1333 1333 views per video are required. So the target is, for each video we need to have 1333 views are required with 6 minutes of average time, average view time. So that's our target. And let's talk about the subscribers. We need to have 1000 subscribers, right? In these 30 days, how we are going to achieve this? Let's see. So total we are going to have, for total 30 videos, we're going to get 40,000 people, 40,000 views. So out of those 40,000 views, usually the basic standard, for any YouTube channel, if the content is okay, for every 100 subscriber views, we will get 2 to 3%, 3% of the 100 people will get subscribe. They will subscribe to our channel. So out of 40,000, if you consider 3% of on an average, so we will get more than 1300. So that's how we will get more than 1000 in 30 days. So to achieve both of these, 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, we need to I'm going to give you three simple tips. Those are, the first tip is actually, we need to upload as many videos as possible. Without having content, we won't get anything, right? Watch time, either this one subscribers also. That is the reason we need to upload as many videos as possible, as much content as possible. And we should not think about the best videos, the quality of the videos initially. So that's that way we can at least get some watch time and subscribers. So I recommend you to upload as many videos as possible. So here another benefit is, actually, after uploading as many videos as possible, we can see the content, the analysis, audio retention, and everything. We can see what is working, what is not working. We can analyze, and based on that we can double the videos where exactly we are getting watch time and viewers. So we can double the type of content, the type of thumbnails, titles. We can analyze and double those kind of exactly videos. So that's how it is going to be benefited. The second tip is, you need to upload the videos minimum length of 10 minutes. More than 10 minutes you need to upload the videos. The benefit is, actually, if any person visits and watch that video, at least just 30%. If a video has just 1 or 2 minutes of content, then if we watch 30%, it will come only in seconds. If it is having at least 10 minutes, if you watch only 30% also, it will come more than 3 minutes. So the watch time will be increased. That's how you can achieve the 4000 hours. So 10 minutes minimum length we should keep in mind while making the videos. For the tip number 3 is, actually, we can as we discussed, double down the what is working. Actually, after analyzing the proper individual video, where exactly audience retention is getting increased or decreased, and our CTR, how it is working, click through rate, where we are getting best clicks, actually. So after analyzing everything, we can double down what is working, and we can rest of the thing, whatever is not working, we can avoid. Not to continue on those kind of videos and thumbnails or titles, anything for that matter. So this is another pro tip. Basically, if you observe any channel which is having 1000 to 10,000 subscribers, it would have been uploaded at least minimum 150 videos in the beginning. So in 150 videos means what? And daily at least 5 videos per day we need to upload. Almost 5 videos per day we need to. So that we can't do to maintain quality. And if you are the primary content creator, I mean video editing and everything, if you are alone doing, it is not possible. So at least to manage the things, at least daily one video, so that 30 videos will be enough to get these at least near to the 4,000 watchers and 1,000 subscribers. Otherwise, at least 3 videos day by day in the week, per week, 3 videos. So and this is how I'm doing. Actually, this is as per my analysis, this is working for many people. So, and one more thing, actually, I'm going to give on free webinar in the description below. You can go through that to get more tips and everything. Free webinar. It is. You can click on that and watch for few. That's it for today. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, hi. Today I'm going to share one tip to get good traffic and to earn money per day. It is the best tip. So all you need to do is just go to one website that is called digistore24.com. So this is a website. This is actually affiliate network website where you get a number of products to promote actually as an affiliate. So here you need to just log in, not log in. First time for the first time you are coming, right? So you just need to register here. Just click on the register. So after clicking on register, you will get these details actually. In these details, you need to fill all these details. Your username, mail ID. You need to give password. After that, you can select time zone and everything you need to do, like title, name. A company is optional. You don't need to give address, country, phone. So all these details after giving, you need to check these both these and register for free now. So after doing this, you will get your account immediately. It will be approved. So once you get all the credentials, so you need to log in actually. You need to log in with your details. So what you need to do after logging in is just log in. Once you log in, you will get a dashboard, a Digistore dashboard like this. Here you can see all these options. Here as you are affiliate, you need to select affiliate. If it is by default, if it is selected as a vendor, you need to select affiliate. So after you need to do, just go to, without concentrating on anything, just go to directly marketplace where you will find all the products to promote actually. So what you need to do is, after that, there are multiple products here. Without investing anything and without doing anything, you have 405 products to promote in different categories. Actually, these are the categories where you can promote all the products. See all these products categories. So for example, here all the products are mentioned. For example, if you want to promote any particular niche products, for example, these are the products you want to promote. Which one? Internet marketing and e-business, for example. Here you can see the related products. How many products are there? You can check. After that, you can decide. So total 35 products are there in this niche. So what you need to do, once you select the niche in this category, you can check the products. See, this is the tube mastery by Matpar. He is the almost earning. He's running 9 YouTube channels, and earning a lot of money, without giving a voice. Also, he's not giving voice, and he's not video filming anything. Without showing his face, he is running 9 YouTube channels with multiple so much revenue, a lot of revenue you can see. So all these details you can find once so his course he introduced after finding successful tips. He introduced a course which is costing 997. So in that 50% commission you will get. So here 258 dollars you will get on each sale. What you need to do, here you can check all the the products, how many what is the rating of it. Is completely a 5-star rating. So you can almost easily you can promote this product because this is having a high rating. So after seeing the rating, you can check commission, how much you are getting, ending per sale, how much you are going to get. This is percentage, this is amount. Cart visitor, for example, if you select any person, select and go to cart, even if he is not purchasing also, something you will get. So this is on all the majorly you need to concentrate cancellation rate. It should be less than 10%. So cart conversion also you can consider. So this is what you need to focus on everything. So 35 results are there like this. So on this the main for example the most rated high rated or top rated product is this one. So you want to promote this. So after this you actually you will find a tab like promote. For example, here I will show after logging in. Before getting this, actually you will see a option to promote. Actually, to last find some, see for example for every product you will get option like this, promote now. So once you logged in, you need to click on this. Once you click on this, after selecting all the things, after seeing a rating and everything, you will get a link. This is a link and that we call affiliate link. So once you get the link, you just need to copy that link, and what you need to do after that, you can see how to promote. Also you can see, if you don't have any knowledge about it, this is the sales page. Actually the landing page, it is going to be a landing page for your affiliate link. This is the affiliate support pro page. Actually you will get a proper training and everything here. So here how you are going to promote what promote this product. So you will get a number of landing pages and email templates, everything you will get to promote. So email swipes, everything. See what and all you will get, links, banners you will get, images you will get, special promotion. uh, So coupons you will get, email swipes also you will get. If you have any email marketing already email list, bulk emails you can send through the by using this email swipes. So these and all options you have to promote this product. Everything is pretty much simple, and you are going to get a 50% of the sale for each product. So this is what. And cookie life also 90 days is there. So when a customer clicks on your product, I mean on your link to buy this product, even if he is not purchasing today, within the 90 days if he is going to purchase, after 60-70 days if he purchases anywhere, also you will get a 50% of the commission. So and this is the total information about everything, like affiliate page for every product, the affiliate page support page you will get. So here everything will be mentioned, and how to promote everything. You can see the video if you want to get some guide or tips. So after that, sales page is just it is not for you, it is for actually sales page for customer. The landing page, it is going to be the landing page. So you will get after clicking on your affiliate link, the customer lands here on this page. So here he'll see the product, it's a kind of trailer. So here he will see the benefits and everything, reports and everything. So he will decide to purchase. So that is another part actually to convert after that is a different part. Once you make the traffic to come here, customer, the rest of the things they will take care of that. Whoever is the merchant, everything will be provided here to promote their product. So 50% you will get. So what you need to do after getting this affiliate link, copy this, and you just need to go to Instagram like this. Instagram, after that, for example, there the product was YouTube promotion product, right? How to make money, so through YouTube. So here you can find some groups like this. Now we are getting a lot of groups. Select one group. So after selecting a group, what you need to do, here you can find people, how many people are there, like this. For example, here some followers are there, some 1200 followers are there for this particular group. So what you need to do is select one, and you need to message. You can send a message saying that for this person I'm going to send a message. For example, hello, by using this by using this program or course, I made my whatever you are earning, that amount you can mention, and if you want to try, you can try, and just after that you need to place your link. You just place your link. Before that, if it is not looking good in this link, what you need to do, just go to bit.ly.com. In bit.ly.com you just need to shorten the link, and that is looking very ugly, so you just make it short so that it looks good. So once you short the link, copy the link and come back to here Instagram and send that person the same. This looks better, so simply we just can send. By using course, I made some, for example, $300. Then you also can try if you are interested, just like this, and boom. So after seeing this message, if he clicks this link, actually he comes back to this page, sales page. No, he'll come back to this sales page. Yeah, see, he is landing this after seeing on the goals. If he is getting convinced, he'll make a purchase. You can send like this 100 people or 150 people, as many people as possible from your make money online groups and other groups, so that if you make one purchase also, it will be around 250, more than $250. So that's how you need to promote. This is a best tip. It is working for many people. You can also try. Okay, that's all for today. So we'll meet again in the next video. Thank you. So in this tutorial, we are going to find a new way, actually, without having any website or anything, without investment. You can consider this website, and by using only Google, without having anything from your side, and without investment, and just you need internet connection and laptop or smartphone. That's it. So in this, actually, what we are going to do is just this is a website where you need to go. This is digistore24.com. Here you can click on the register as usual. So you need to register here. You'll get all the options. So you can give a name, your details, your details like email ID, password, time zone, and everything. Title, name, company is optional, address, country, everything. So by clicking both of agreeing these two, just click on register now. That's it. Once you register, you will get your credentials. Okay, so I have my credentials, so I'm just right away I'm logging in. Okay, I have to click on login. Here in this dashboard, in this website, you will find all the options like this. So dashboard looks like this. Here left side you can see digital products, almost from the all the niches, all the categories. So overall in this website we have 409 results. That means 409 products we have to promote. So here we can see a lot of digital products. Apart from that, physical products also available. So physical products are skincare products and supplements are available. So those are also available to promote. You can choose any of this. If you select any physical product and promote, there is no need to think of no shipping and other things. Anyway, they will take care of those things. So all you need to do is just you need to promote your link through your affiliate link. If anybody purchases, you will get commission. That's it. So after this, actually let us select one product. For example, this is the first product. I'm going to select this, and Meticure. Meticure is a famous product. It is most popular product in weight loss category. Weight loss category is the number one category. You can choose this product. So here if I take this product, it is having high user rating, and also 85% of the commission you are going to get on each sale. So you can see all the details like how much what is the price of this product, and also average earning, how much you are going to get on each sale. So the conversion rate also here it is mentioned, and cancellation rate should be less than 10% as usual. So if I select this product, what I need to do after selecting, just you need to click on this affiliate link. So you need to copy this link. After that, you need to go to another website. If you want to see before going to see sales page. If you want to see sales page also, this is going to be the landing page where you are sending your customer to this page. Here all the details will be available to promote this product, or to convince a customer by using all the techniques, and they will take care of, merchant will take care of this product, this part actually. So all you need to do is you need to send the traffic, you need to send the customer to this page, so that everything will be taken care by them. And if anybody convinces, the customer get convinced, and it is pretty much simple. So let us jump into the next step. After taking the affiliate link, all you need to do is you just need to go to another website called Bitly. So we'll go to this website. So your affiliate link, you need to place this here, and then you just shorten the link as it looks. You can short the link. Been done. So you need to copy this link. So you just need to copy this link actually. After that, you just need to go to, as we are promoting by using Google itself, just go to google.com. Here you can type. So in Google you need to just type the best blogs of the best weight loss blogs of 2021 in this year. What are the best blogs? It will give the result in such SCRP, such results. Okay, page. So here you just need to go inside of this 100 blogs are available, top 100 in weight loss niche. So as our product is from weight loss niche, just we need to go to the particular specific blogs, niche blogs, After that, here you can find in the first is this one. So here you can click on each and every blog number 1, blog number 2, just need to go inside of this. Like this you can go a number of blogs here. Here for example, we can see 100 blogs here. So all these blogs you can open a new tab. After that, you can see each blog inside by coming into new tab. Here you can see visit your website. So for that particular blog website we want to go, and we want to place our affiliate link, right? So we are going to the blog, actually that particular blog. So here we just came to this blog. Here you need to comment, actually in this. In this actually you need to comment, like on each article. There are multiple blog posts here, right? So on each article you just need to go to comment section, and you need to comment along with your affiliate link. Your comment by saying like this is a weight loss product, right? So you can to comment about the article, like or like, thank you for the article, you are an inspiration to us, like that. You can comment on the article, about the article. You can spend 1 or 2 minutes about the to understand the article if you want, and comment about the article first. After that you can just give your product affiliate link, like saying is a great way I found to lose weight. I hope it helps for other people, like that you can say, and you just can place your affiliate link. That's it. You can type everything as I mentioned here. So your name, your mail ID you can give, and capture, submit your comment. That's it. Once you submit your comment, if anybody related to that blog readers, if anybody purchases, you will get a commission of 85%. This is one way, by using just Google, and you can use a number of blogs like this. Hundreds of blogs are available, so you just can go each blog and comment with your affiliate link. It can be completed within a 30 minutes or 1 hour time, so it doesn't take much time. You can place 100 to 200 affiliate links on the blogs, so that it will be at least, if you can consider 1% of the sale happens if you give 100 comments per 30 minutes or 1 hour if you spend per day. And in those 100, 1% if you consider 1% by also 85% of the commission you will get. Almost it will be very much possible. So that's how you are going to use this trick by using just Google. So this I hope it helps you in getting your sales better. So that's it for today. We'll meet in the next video with another tip. Thank you, and you can like, share, comment with your friends, and you can subscribe. Hi, in this video actually we are going to learn one more tip as part of this make money online episodes. So here we need to register for any affiliate networking site like Digistore or ClickBank, CJ, or any other affiliate networking sites. So after registering, actually you can register by clicking in this. You need to give email address, your name, everything. After just instantly you will get approval for this. So once you get approval, you can log into this Digistore 24 or any other affiliate networking like Clickbank also. So once you log, you can see after going into the this marketplace, so like this. So we are going to promote a product from all these uh, niches or from any of this category we are going to promote. So once we logged, we just need to select the product, whatever the product we want to promote. So I'm just going to promote this product, for example. So after clicking on the promote button, you will get your affiliate link here. So I'm just getting taking this affiliate link. Then I'm going to another website called Bitly, just to shorten the link. I want to shorten the link. You need to shorten the link. Okay. So you can copy this link and you need to share in social media. Actually, we are going to share this in social media like Facebook, uh, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, everywhere. So in order to share this link, we need to have some landing page. Otherwise, the profile of yours may get blocked if you use directly your affiliate link in these social media platforms like Facebook and all. So they will block you. The norms will not allow you. According to their policy, we should not place affiliate links, right? So what we need to do, we are just going to have one landing page so that it will be easy and they won't block your account if you use any landing page for this. So we can use a number of landing page free builders. We no need to purchase any plan. These are free landing page builders like Uber, Kit, or Get Response, any other. So I'm going to create one more landing page here uh, for that particular product. So I just need to register with your email ID, and then you need to click on the create new. Here you are going to get a new page with options like to create a landing page and all. So we have two options here: creating a form or creating a a landing page. So we are going to have a landing page, right? So we click on the landing page. Here we will get a lot of pre-built templates for the landing pages. We can select any of the landing pages and we can just go ahead and create our landing page. So I want to choose one pre-built template. So I want to use this. You can choose any of these. These all the templates are free of cost. You can use any of these as per your convenient. If you want to put some text, you can put on images like that. Different templates are available, so you can choose, or before choosing you can preview also. Here you can change the text of the product. So we are going to promote this product, so just need to replace the text of our landing page like So make money online, you can put any headline you need to put. I've changed that heading. Here also you can change some text, you can put even from sales page also you can take. If from sales page you can take some text, so I'm taking from here itself. For example, otherwise you can take from sales page, it will be good idea, you will get a lot of text from there. I'm just copying and pasting here. So what we need to do, here we got this link, right? Copy this link and just go to your landing page. You need to go to settings, just click on the redirect to external page. Here you need to place your affiliate link. So after placing, you can see the other options. For example, if you are using any other custom domain and other things, you can use this URL, you can place here. All the settings as you can consider. If you want to give all the details, you can give, otherwise not required. You just need to, this is a mandatory thing, but you need to place your affiliate link in the redirect to external page, so that once they click on subscribe button, it will take to the landing page of that particular product. So I'm just saving this, and you can change this also. Subscribe, get instant access. So where they are going to, for what they are going to get instant access? For the training, webinar training of this particular course. So sales page of this course. So after doing all this, you can change. If you want to border radius, if you want to change, you can change. And you can change the color of this background text if you want to change. Here I want to put blue, you can change to blue. So red also, anything you can change. This text, if you want to change to red, you can change this one to some other color. This one also I am changing to different color. So here likewise you can change to different colors. So this is how it looks, your landing page. What after that, we just need to save and post your page. So here you are going you are getting your landing page URL. You need to copy this. You can check this. URL, how it is going. So what are the heading you give, this is the landing page you have created, right? So it came in your URL. So once I give this get instant access, if somebody comes and give their web email ID and click on the get instant access, it will take to the sales page of that program. your affiliate linked program. So it is going there now. So yes, it is landing to Tube Mastery course. So that's how we need to create a landing page in this Uber or GetResponse or any other email marketing. These are very good tools to create landing pages and other forms and everything we can use for different purposes. But for landing page, we are using like this. So we came here. So once the customer directs here, through anyway in landing page you have provided our affiliate link, right? If he purchases here the course, you will get you will get the commission like first. uh, so where we need to place this affiliate link, landing page URL. This landing page URL, after copying this landing page URL, you need to go to Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, LinkedIn and Pinterest. Anywhere you need to go and find the groups where make money online groups, and you can chat with them, or you can just in that group, so you can comment also in the landing page. So it won't get your account won't get affected, it won't get blocked. So for that we'll use this landing page. Apart from getting the commission, you are going to collect all the emails also. For this you can use MailChimp or any other email marketing services, so that yeah, all the your email subscribers, customers will be, I know, at one place. So you can use later, you can send them bulk emails regarding upcoming products and all. That's how you can use this. Anyway, I'm going to place this link in description. You can go to the and create your landing pages for free of cost. For up to 1,000 subscribers, there is no charge. You can use free by using your name and email address. You can create a landing page in just 1 or 2 minutes. That's it. This is a very big and good tip to promote your affiliate links without your Facebook account getting blocked. So that's all for today. So we'll meet up in another session. Thank you.